guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Maddie. If you are new here, today's video is going to be my current morning routine. I guess it's technically still fall, so this is like my fall morning routine. My mornings have actually changed a lot since the last time I filmed one of these because I've gotten a puppy since then. So I feel like my mornings used to be super chill, relaxing, kind of like self-care vibes. And now my mornings just revolve around Lennon, but it's fine. So I woke up at 7:30. First thing I do when I wake up, well, I make my coffee. So while this is brewing, I get Lennon and Kitty's breakfasts ready. So Kitty's actually the one who's very demanding in the morning. As soon as she sees that I'm awake, she like jumps on me and meows in my face until I feed her breakfast. So that's always the very first thing that I do when I wake up. Lennon's still eating hers back there. But while they're eating, I can have a chance to kind of wake myself up, enjoy my coffee. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Stretching. Lennon. Hi.
So now that Lennon's had her breakfast, she's gonna have to go outside. So I usually just throw on some clothes. I don't like get myself ready at all. But I've actually been laying out my outfit the night before because I usually am in a rush in the morning because she has to go to the bathroom, so I can't like take my time. So it helps if I just lay out my clothes the night before. So I'm just gonna throw on some sweats today because I am not going anywhere later today. Usually takes a while for Lennon to go to the bathroom, so we just walk up and down this little patch of grass till she goes. It's really cold out this morning. Okay, I'm back inside now. So now Lennon's basically done everything that she needs to do in the mornings. So now I can kind of get myself actually ready. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and do my skincare routine now. Okay, I took my sweatshirt off because I usually like splash water everywhere when I'm washing my face. But first step is to put my hair up. So my morning skincare as of lately, it consists of 4 products. So step 1 is cleanser. I just started using this Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Cleanser. I've only used it a couple times, but I really like it so far. Step 2 is my Ride or Die Vitamin C Serum. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Potency. Step 3 is moisturizer. This has been my favorite moisturizer for the past few months. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. So it's like a nice gel consistency. Then once my moisturizer has sunk in, the last step is SPF. This is the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen, SPF 40. So it depends on the day, but usually I just don't do anything with my hair. This is what my hair looks like after I blew it out with the Dry Bar round brush blow dryer thing a few days ago, and I just like leave it as is, but I'm gonna dry shampoo it. I'm using the Living Proof dry shampoo. Okay, and then like I said, I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm not putting on makeup. I would say most days I don't put on makeup unless I'm filming a video or taking pictures or like going somewhere specific. But I want to film an updated makeup routine video probably during Vlogmas, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. But the one makeup step that I do every single day is brow gel. My brows do not stay where I need them to, so I just use the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and kind of brush them upwards. Okay, it is time for breakfast. For my breakfast, I usually make one of three things. Either yogurt with like fruit and granola and all that kind of stuff, or oatmeal, or a smoothie. Or I'll have cereal if I'm feeling really lazy. But today I'm gonna make a smoothie, so let's do it. So I just made my smoothie. I also filled up my water bottle. This one's like the Time one from Amazon. I always fill it up way later than 7 a.m. so I always have some catching up to do. Then I also just take my vitamins. So these two are Ritual. This is not sponsored, but I just take those every day as my like multivitamin. And then this one is a probiotic. So I'm gonna take those, drink my smoothie and some water. Say hi, kitty. Kitty. Hi, baby. You look so pretty this morning. Sitting at my table now, and I'm just going to make my to-do list for the day on this little daily overview notepad thing. So I don't do this every single day, but I feel like most weekdays where I have a lot of like little tasks to get done throughout the day, it just helps me to write it all down first thing in the morning, and then I feel more productive when I'm like checking things off throughout the day. So yeah, I'm just going to make my to-do list. I have like my calendar out, and probably gonna get some computer work done, emails, stuff like that. guys, so this is where I'm gonna be for a little while. I have some computer work to get done, like I said, so I think that's pretty much it for my morning routine. Lennon just woke up from her morning nap, so now her and Kitty are about to go crazy and play. It's crazy time. It's crazy time. Go play. Go play. This is both of their favorite toys. It's literally just a piece of string. It used to be attached to a stick, and it's like a cat toy. Lennon will run around with this, and then Kitty will chase after it, and it keeps them entertained for a while. No. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you enjoyed this morning routine. Let me know any other videos that you guys want to see from me, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of them. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in another new video. Bye.